Hello everybody and welcome back. I love hamburger, I think are fantastic, and today we will do my first burger recipe with you, and I decided to call this recipe the Padrino burger. If I could be the Godfather, I might say that these are the ingredients that I would like in my burger. We need 180 grams of ground beef, 20 grams of Parmesan cheese, 80 grams of pistachio, not salted, very important, 1 eggplant, 1 lemon, 2 slices of Scamorza affumicata, basil leaves, dry tomatoes, and a bun for burger. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget, subscribe, put a like, click on the little bell for be always updated for new video. Thanks. Let's start with our eggplant. We cut some slices. And now we are going to fry it. For me, it's the best way to cook an eggplant. Take a pan. We add a good amount of seed oil. Sunflower is perfect. Like this. And we turn the heat on. The oil is hot. We can fry our eggplant. It's time to flip them. When both sides reach this color, our eggplant are ready. And our eggplant are ready. Now we can add a bit of salt and we let them rest by side. The eggplant are ready. Now we will make a pistachio pesto. We take a bowl, we put our pistachios, our Parmesan cheese, some basil leaves, we grate the skin of this lemon, olive oil, black pepper, and we whisk. Ready. Now let's make our burger. Ground beef, black pepper, salt. Let's mix. We move it here. It's very important to mix well. Let's start giving the shape that we want. Our burger is ready. Let's take a stone pan, turn on the heat, a bit of olive oil. The pan is hot, let's cook our burger. Bit of salt on top, and black pepper. Flip. What amazing Maillard reaction. Let's put our Scamorza affumicata and soup. Let's close the pan. In this way the cheese will melt perfectly. Perfectly melted. We make it rest. We can add a bit more of olive oil and we toast our bun. From both sides, of course. Our bun are both toasted, pistachio paste on both sides. In the base we add few eggplant dry tomatoes, our burger on top, and we close. Now the moment of truth of each burger, the cut. Wow! I don't know what you think, but it's beautiful. If I could be the Godfather, these guys, it would be mine. Try. Buon appetito. Definitely a Godfather burger. Ciao!